Hello and welcome back to Knight's Home Farms. Today I'm going to be doing a montage of some drone footage. This first one is from October 18th, 2019, and you were just looking at the trash pile. They came in with a skid steer and cleared this first piece of land to get it ready for the house. Here you can see, kind of behind that second fence, that nothing has happened back there yet. I'm going to drop down a little bit and you'll see the foundation. Now this was our maiden voyage with the drone, so the footage is not that great, but the point is you can see that there's no house here. And there's the foundation for our house. Now we've moved on to October 22nd, 2019. This was the day that they put the house together. The house actually arrived on the 18th when we were there shooting the foundation. A few days later we went back out. They were putting it together. So we decided to do some more drone footage of that first area. You can see that there's no driveway. No trees have been trimmed yet. The old gate is there. There's our driveway gravel in piles. There's just nothing back here in this corner. A lot of skid steer tracks. Here's another look at that trash pile. They had 6 truckloads of trash to take out of here. It doesn't look that big from the sky, but it was enormous. There's where the shipping container now sits. And here you can see they're taking the axles out from under the house, and they're also working up in the attic to get the 2 pieces of the house joined together. Now the axles and the tongues are on a modular home, only to get the house to its location, and then they remove them. So the house is not mobile whatsoever. It's attached to the ground, just like any other house that's built with a crawl space. There you can see the tongues. One has been removed and one is still attached. And then this footage is from April of 2020. Everything is so lush and green because we had been getting quite a bit of rain all spring. You can see that there's 2 olive trees planted. That's what the 2 black spots are there in the ground. And then the pollinator garden outline is there. But other than that, really nothing done in that corner. The shipping container is out here and a pile of compost. And this is just shortly after we were able to mow all the way to the 5-acre line. There's still a lot of trees in this part of the property that have to be removed. The larger ones will leave, but the small ones will all go away. And then at this 5-acre mark, we'll put in a fence and concentrate on everything from here up to the road this year. There's our 2 burn piles on the right. Compost straight ahead. And then you can see here we've got all of the little trees removed, just the bigger ones that we're going to keep. Palm trees have been trimmed. We still have the old gate, but there's a driveway. Front fence line hasn't been trimmed out yet. There's a back deck, and we extended the deck railings. There's a look toward the back of our property. The front door is still white. And then this is from today. So new gate, front fence line, tree line has all been trimmed up. We're not as green. We had a little bit of a drought situation going on. No rain for like 3-4 months. But then we received some in the last few days because of Hurricane Hannah. So it's starting to green back up. We have an arbor there to the right. The sidewalk, all of the landscaping under the trees. We've planted some bushes up along the house on the right hand side, and then again straight ahead. The new front door color, which looks black here, but it's really a dark green. There's another arbor there to the left that we built for the wisteria. Looking out toward the shipping container and the tractor and the water tank for the horses. There's our chicken coop. We're still working on that. Here's a look at the deck with the lattice installed. And the gravel pathways. Six raised garden beds. The mini hoops over a lot of them. Some cattle panel arbors. There's a small shed to the left that we've built. And then the greenhouse in the back there. Also a 24-foot in-ground garden. The pollinator garden. The pilot dirt there is from the irrigation company. They're putting in an irrigation gate for our neighbor. We're working on getting rid of the dirt pile, the gravel pile, and the mulch pile. Then eventually we'll move the shed in the box and the trailer. This will all become garden. And there's Gypsy Farm Kitty. She didn't know what to think about the drone. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next week. Please like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Have a great week.